waiting for Randy, my cousin Randy, waiting for him to help me play this music, play this hockey night in Canada song. Till then, I'm just going to play around, have some fun. Since I don't know any chords, I do know what the sounds I like. So here, check it out. And let's be clear here. This is all just for fun. Money on the run.
So you gotta figure it out. It takes a while sometimes to get the secret character on the side and move around. Are you going to hold something for you? No, where's the lyrics?
Lyrics are right here.
Where? That's it.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Well, when you're ready, come in here and you can read them in here.
Alright.